Diets are everywhere. It seems like everyone is looking for the next best way to lose weight and improve their health. Some diets focus on cutting carbs, others emphasize protein or healthy fats. With so many options, it's hard to know which diet is right for you. One diet that has gained significant popularity in recent years is the ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet. This high-fat, very low-carb diet has garnered attention for its potential benefits, particularly for individuals with diabetes. But is the keto diet truly a good option for managing diabetes? Let's delve into the science and explore the potential benefits and risks. The keto diet drastically reduces your carbohydrate intake. This forces your body to find an alternative fuel source, fat. When you eat very few carbs, your liver starts producing ketones. Ketones are molecules created by the breakdown of fat. They are an alternative energy source that your body can use when glucose or sugar from carbs is limited. This metabolic state is called ketosis. Essentially, the keto diet shifts your body from a sugar burner to a fat burner. How does the keto diet affect blood sugar? Carbohydrates are the primary dietary factor that raises blood sugar levels. By drastically reducing carbs, the keto diet helps stabilize blood sugar. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, who often struggle with blood sugar control. Studies have shown that the keto diet can be effective in lowering blood glucose levels and reducing the need for diabetes medication. However, it's crucial to note that everyone responds differently to dietary changes. Close monitoring of blood sugar levels is essential when starting and maintaining a keto diet. Section 4. Keto versus other diets. In this section, we will delve into how the ketogenic diet stacks up against other popular dietary approaches, particularly for managing diabetes and overall health. How does the keto diet compare to other popular diets for diabetes like the Mediterranean diet or a low-fat diet? Each of these diets has its own unique principles and benefits, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision about which might be best for you. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. This diet is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining good health. The inclusion of healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil and nuts, helps to support heart health and reduce inflammation. It has consistently been linked to improved heart health and blood sugar control. Studies have shown that individuals who follow the Mediterranean diet tend to have lower rates of heart disease, better blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This diet is also associated with a lower risk of stroke and certain types of cancer. Low-fat diets, on the other hand, focus on reducing fat intake while prioritizing carbohydrates. These diets often include a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, but they limit the consumption of high-fat foods. The goal is to reduce overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. They can be effective for weight loss but may not be as beneficial for blood sugar control as other approaches. While low-fat diets can help individuals lose weight, they may not provide the same level of blood sugar stability as diets that include more healthy fats and fewer carbohydrates. The keto diet, with its strict carbohydrate restriction, often leads to more rapid weight loss and blood sugar improvements in the short term compared to these other diets. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This can result in significant weight loss and improved blood sugar levels. However, the long-term sustainability and potential side effects of the keto diet need to be considered. While the keto diet can be effective for short-term weight loss and blood sugar control, it may not be suitable for everyone. Potential side effects include nutrient deficiencies, digestive issues, and an increased risk of heart disease due to high saturated fat intake. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet, especially one as restrictive as keto. Additionally, the long-term effects of maintaining a ketogenic diet are still not fully understood, and more research is needed to determine its safety and efficacy over time. Ultimately, the best diet for you will depend on your individual health needs, lifestyle, and preferences. It's important to choose a diet that you can maintain in the long term and that supports your overall health and well-being. Whether you opt for the Mediterranean diet, a low-fat diet, or the keto diet, make sure to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. In conclusion, while the keto diet offers some unique benefits, especially for short-term weight loss and blood sugar control, it's essential to weigh these against its potential drawbacks and long-term sustainability. Other diets, like the Mediterranean and low-fat diets, also offer significant health benefits and may be more suitable for long-term adherence. The key is to find a balanced approach that works for you and supports your health goals. Thank you for joining us in this comparison of the keto diet versus other popular diets. Remember, the best diet is one that you can stick to, and that promotes your overall health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and make the best choice for you. Section 5. Keto and Diabetes. The benefits. There is growing evidence suggesting that the keto diet can be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. This diet, which is high in fats and low in carbohydrates, has been the subject of numerous studies and clinical trials. Researchers are increasingly interested in how the keto diet can help manage and even improve the health of those living with type 2 diabetes. Studies have demonstrated that the keto diet can lead to significant improvements in blood sugar control. For many people with type 2 diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is a constant challenge. The keto diet's low carbohydrate intake helps to minimize the spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can occur with higher carbohydrate diets. By reducing carbohydrate intake, the keto diet helps regulate blood glucose levels, reducing hyperglycemia or high blood sugar. This is particularly important for individuals with type 2 diabetes, as high blood sugar levels can lead to a range of complications, including nerve damage, kidney disease, and cardiovascular issues. The keto diet's focus on healthy fats and proteins provides a steady source of energy without causing dramatic fluctuations in blood sugar. Weight loss is another benefit. Many people with type 2 diabetes struggle with weight management, and excess weight can exacerbate the condition. The keto diet's ability to promote weight loss can be a significant advantage for these individuals. The keto diet's emphasis on fat and protein can promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake, leading to weight loss. When people feel full and satisfied after meals, they are less likely to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods. This can make it easier to stick to the diet and achieve long-term weight management goals. Additionally, some studies suggest that the keto diet may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively. Improved insulin sensitivity means that the body's cells are better able to respond to insulin, which can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce the need for medication in some individuals. It's important to note that these benefits are not guaranteed and may vary from person to person. While many people with type 2 diabetes have experienced positive results with the keto diet, others may not see the same improvements. Factors such as individual metabolism, adherence to the diet, and overall health can all influence the effectiveness of the keto diet. Therefore, it's crucial for anyone considering this dietary approach to consult with their healthcare provider to ensure it's appropriate for their specific needs and circumstances. Section 6. Potential risks and considerations. While the keto diet can offer potential benefits for diabetes management, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks and considerations. Nutrient deficiencies can be a concern. The restrictive nature of the keto diet may increase the risk of nutrient deficiencies, particularly if not followed carefully. Gastrointestinal issues are another consideration. Some individuals experience digestive discomfort, such as constipation or diarrhea, when transitioning to a keto diet. The risk of kidney stones can also be increased in susceptible individuals. And finally, the long-term sustainability of the keto diet's strictness can make it challenging to maintain long-term for some people. Section 7. Real people, real stories, testimonials. In this section, we delve into the personal journeys of individuals who have embraced the keto diet to manage their diabetes. These stories are a testament to the transformative power of dietary changes and the resilience of the human spirit. Here are some real-life experiences from individuals with diabetes who have tried the keto diet. These testimonials highlight the challenges, triumphs, and the profound impact that dietary changes can have on one's health and well-being. Since starting keto, my blood sugar levels have been the most stable they've been in years. This is a common sentiment among many who have adopted this diet. The keto diet, which is low in carbohydrates and high in fats, helps in maintaining steady blood sugar levels, which is crucial for managing diabetes. I've even been able to reduce my insulin dosage, says Sarah, age 52, living with type 2 diabetes. Sarah's story is particularly inspiring. She struggled for years with fluctuating blood sugar levels and high insulin requirements. Since switching to a keto diet, she has seen remarkable improvements in her health. John, age 45, also living with type 2 diabetes, shares, "I was initially skeptical, but the keto diet has been a game changer for me." John was hesitant at first, unsure if such a drastic change in his diet would yield positive results. However, his experience has been overwhelmingly positive, proving that sometimes taking a leap of faith can lead to life-changing outcomes. "I've lost weight, my energy levels are up, and my doctor is impressed with my blood sugar control." Many individuals report similar benefits, including weight loss, increased energy, and improved overall health. These changes not only enhance physical well-being but also boost mental and emotional health. It's important to remember that these are personal anecdotes and results may vary. While these stories are encouraging, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals before making any significant changes to your diet. Each person's body responds differently, and what works for one individual may not work for another. Always seek personalized advice to ensure the best outcomes for your health journey.